Okay, so let's proceed with case 4. So for g of x is equal to k1 sine bx plus k2 cosine bx, where k1 and k2 and b are known constants. So our trial solution yp is equal to a sine bx plus b cosine bx. So whatever the angle, if follow lang natin, and then a and b here are known constants to be determined. So these a and b are to be determined using um, equating coefficients. So let us try to apply this principle by solving example number 1 here. So we have d squared minus 4y is equal to negative 98 sine 2t, where y of 0 is negative 1, y prime of 0 is 53 over 2. So again, ang solution natin is y is equal to yc plus yp, for which yc is our homogeneous solution. So kunin muna natin ang homogeneous solution natin. So for yc, PM operator natin, m squared minus 4 is equal to 0. Then taking the factors, using difference between two squares, m plus 2, m minus 2 is equal to 0. Then we will get m equals negative 2 and m is equal to positive 2. m1, m2. So yc here is equal to c1 e raised to m1t plus c2 e raised to m2t. So therefore, our yc or homogeneous solution c1 e to the negative 2t plus c2 e to the positive 2t. So that will be our yc. So for our yp, so our g of t is equal to negative 98 sine 2t. So that's k1 sine 2t plus K2 cosine bt. So K2 here is 0 since wala tayong nakikitang cosine. So K1 sine bx tayo. So our g of t here is negative 98 sine 2t. So therefore, our trial solution yp is equal to a sine 2t plus b cosine of 2t, since g of t is negative 98 sine 2t. So again, ang ating given ay y double prime minus 4y is equal to negative 98 sine 2t. So maglalagay lang tayo ng subscript and subscript. So for yp is equal to a sine 2t plus b cosine 2t, yp prime is equal to 2a cosine 2t, because derivative of sine 2t is 2 cosine 2t times a. Derivative of cosine 2t is negative sine 2t times b is negative 2b sine 2t. Then yp double as per required by our given. So yp double prime is equal to negative 4a sine 2t. Again, derivative of cosine is negative 2 sine 2t times 2a is negative 4a sine 2t minus 4b cosine 2t. So here's yp double and yp, substitute natin dito sa ating original given equation. So we have here negative 4a sine 2t minus 4b cosine 2t. So this is b. Minus 4 times the quantity. Our yp is a sine 2t plus b cosine 2t. Is equal to negative 98 sine 2t. So, distributing this negative 4 and negative 4 there. So, magiging itong negative 4a sine 2t added to negative 4a sine 2t is negative 8a sine 2t. And this negative 4b cosine 2t added to negative 4b is negative 8b cosine 2t is negative 98 sine 2t. So, using equating coef, lahat ng mayroong sine 2t sa left side, equate natin sa lahat ng may sine 2t sa right side. So, ang meron tayo sa left side ay negative 8a. Ang meron tayo sa right side ay negative 98. So, dividing both by negative 8. So, a here is 49 over 4. So, by dividing both sides by 2 or negative 2. or both numerator and denominator by negative 2. So para naman kay cosine, lahat ng may cosine 2t sa left, that's negative 8b. May cosine 2t dito is 0. Then b here is 0. So therefore, our yp is a sine 2t. The value of a is 49 over 4. Plus b, which is 0. So our yp here is 49 over 4. So therefore, our solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So y here is equal to yc is c1 e to the minus 2t plus c2 e to the 2t. C1 e to the minus 2t plus C2 e to the positive 2t plus 49 over 4 sine 2t plus 49 over 4 sine 2t. So this will be our general solution. Then again, meron yata tayong initial condition given that when p is 0, y is negative 1. When p is 0, y is negative 1. And then when p is 0, y prime is 53 over 2. 53 over 2. So y prime here is 53 over 2. So lagay muna natin yung first condition. T is 0, y is negative 1. So substituting, negative 1 is equal to c1 e to the 0 plus c2 e to the 0 plus 49 over 4 sine of 2 times t is 0. So this is 0, then c1 plus c2 is negative 1. So let this be equation 1. So our second condition, y prime is 53 halves for t is equal to 0. So let's solve for y prime. What's y prime? Derivative of this is negative 2 c1 e to the minus 2t plus derivative of the second term, that's 2c2 e to the 2t. Derivative of that is plus 49 over 4. Derivative of sine is 2 cosine 2t. So substituting the initial condition, this is 53 over 2 equals negative 2c1 e to the 0 when t is 0 plus 2c2 e to the 0 plus 49 over 2 cosine 0. So that gives us, transpose natin to magiging 2c1 because this is 1, this is 1. Transpose natin, so magiging negative 2c2 is equal to 49 over 2 minus 53 over 2. Transpose. So 49 minus 53 is negative 4. So magkakaroon tayo dito ng 2c1 minus 2c2 is negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So this is equal to negative 4 over 2, which is negative 2. So dividing this all by 2, magiging c1 minus c2 is negative 1. So this will be my equation 2. This will be my equation 1. So solving simultaneously, so c1 plus c2 is negative 1. c1 minus c2 is negative 1. So adding the 2, 2c1 is 0 because, sorry, this is negative 2. Pag pinag-add, makakancel to, 2c1 is negative 2. Then c1 is negative 1. So solving or substituting it here to solve for c2, negative 1, c1 is negative 1, plus c2 is negative 1. Then c2 is 0. So having that solved, c1 is negative 1 and c2 is 0, substitute natin sa ating general solution y. c1 is 1, negative 1. So that's negative e to the minus 2t plus 0 e to the 2t plus 49 over 4 e sine of 2t. So therefore, simplifying, y is 49 over 4 sine 2t minus e to the minus 2t. So that will be our particular solution. So 49 over 4 sine 2t, 49 over 4 sine 2t minus e to the minus 2t. Minus e to the minus 2t. So this will be our answer. So letter D. So let's try example number 2. So this is d squared plus 3d plus 2y is equal to 10 cosine 2x. So again, meron na naman tayong nasa right side na g of x be equal to 10 cosine 2x. So wala tayong, di ba ang format natin dapat sine bx plus k2 cosine bx. This time, k1 is 0. Kaya 0 yung nasa right side kasi wala tayong sign dito. So ang ating preferred or trial solution yp here is again a sine 2x plus b cosine 2x. So later na natin siya isosolve. Since meron tayong yc na kailangan munang isolve. Since y or solution y is equal to yc plus yp. So let's solve for yc first. So from my given, so use m operator. So that's 3m plus 2 is equal to 0. Factoring this out, you have m plus 2. M plus 1 is equal to 0. You got m equals negative 2. M here is negative 1. So 1, 2. So again, my yc here is c1 e to the negative 2x plus c2 e to the minus x. So that will be my yc. So again, ang yp natin ay nakuha na natin as a sine 2x plus b cosine 2x because it depends on our g of x. So for our given, y double prime plus 3y prime plus 2y is equal to 10 cosine of 2x. Lagyan ng yp, lagyan ng yp, lagyan ng subscript p for particular solution. So the given requires yp double prime and yp prime. So from yp, let's take yp prime. So derivative, that's 2a cosine 2x minus 2b sine 2x. So that will be the derivative of yp. Yp double, derivative of that is negative 4a sine 2x minus 4b cosine 2x because derivative of sine is cosine times 2. So that's why it's negative 4b. Substituting this there, so that's negative 4a sine 2x minus 4b cosine 2x para kay yp double. Then substitute naman natin kay yp prime. So plus 3, yp prime, that's 2a cosine 2x minus 2b sine 2x plus 2 times yp. Yp is a sine 2x plus b cosine 2x is 10 cosine 2x. Let's distribute. So distribute natin yung ating given. So, burahin ko muna yun. Okay. Distribute natin sa negative 4a sine 2x minus 4b cosine 2x plus 3, no, it's 6a. Because 3 times 2 here and 3 times negative 2 there is positive 6a cosine 2x minus 6b sine 2x plus 2a sine 2x plus 2b cosine 2x equals 10 cosine 2x. So using equating coefficients, lahat ng may sine 2x on the left side, so that's negative 4a. Sine 2x is minus 6b. Sine 2x is 2a, so that's plus 2a here, is equal to 0. Then we have negative 2a minus 6b is equal to 0. Again, lahat ng may sign 2x, negative 4a, negative 6b, and positive 2a. And then sa right side, wala tayong sign 2x, kaya 0. Then we have 2a is equal to negative 6b. Then a is equal to negative 3b. So this will be our first equation. Alright, because negative 4a plus 2a is negative 2a. Lahat naman ng merong cosine 2x. So lahat ng may cosine 2x tayo, lagyan natin ng asterisk. Okay, so that's negative 4b, negative 6b, I'm sorry, negative 4b plus 6a, and then plus 2b equals 10. And you have here 6a minus 2b is 10. Then we have divided all by 2, that gives us 3a minus b equals 5. By dividing this all by 2, 3a minus b equals 5. So this will be equation 2. Okay. So again, ang equation 1 natin ay a equals negative 3b. Ang equation 2 natin ay 3a minus b equals 5. Okay. So equation 1 and equation 2. So let us substitute equation 1 kay equation 2. So this is 3 times negative 3b minus b is equal to 5. So this is negative 9b minus b is 5. Negative 10b is 5. Then b is negative 1/2. Solving for a, since a is equal to negative 3b, so a here is negative 3 times negative 1/2. Then a is positive 3/2. So therefore, our yp here is a sine 2x plus b cosine 2x. So for our yp here, a sine 2x plus b cosine 2x, substituting a, that's 3/2 sine 2x, plus b, which is negative 2. So b natin ay negative 2. So this should be minus. So this will be our yp. Therefore, our solution yc plus yp is, our yc here is c1 e to the minus 2x, c2 e to the minus x. c1 e to the minus 2x plus c2 e to the minus x plus 3/2 our yp sine 2x minus 1/2 cosine of 2x. So this will be my general solution. So but then again, meron tayong initial condition. When x is 0, y is 1, y prime is 0. So x is 0, y is 1, x is 0, y prime is 0. So let us substitute the initial condition. So first, eto muna. 1 equals c1 e to the 0 plus c2 e to the 0 because x is 0 plus 3/2 sine 0 minus 1/2 cosine of 0. So this is 0, this is 1, this is 1. Then c1 plus c2 is equal to 1 plus 1/2. Because this is 1, then negative 1/2 transpose there becomes positive 1/2. Then c1 plus c2 is equal to 3/2. Equation 1. For our second initial condition, y prime is 0 when x is 0. So let's solve for y prime. derivative, so that's negative 2c1 e to the minus 2x minus c2 e to the minus x plus 3 halves cosine 2x times the derivative of 2x is 2 minus 1 half derivative of cosine is negative sine 2x times 2. Then y prime here is negative 2c1 e to the minus 2x minus c2 e to the minus x plus 3 cosine 2x plus sine 2x. Because 2 cancels out and negative times negative is positive. So substituting the initial condition, y prime is 0 when x is 0. So this is negative 2c1 e to the 0 minus c2 e to the 0 plus 3 cosine 0 plus sine 0. That is 0, that's 1. Transposing, you have 2c1 plus c2 is equal to 3. So this will be our equation 2. Writing equation 1, c1 plus c2 is 3 halves. c1 plus c2 is 3 halves. Equation 1. Equation 2 natin is 2c1 plus c2 is 3. Subtracting the two equations to cancel c2. So this is negative c1 because c1 minus 2c1 is negative c1. This cancels out. So that's 3 halves minus 3. 3 halves minus 3. That's negative 3 halves. Then c1 is positive 3 halves. Since c1 is 3 halves, I can substitute it here to solve for c2. c1 is 3 halves plus c2 is equal to 3 halves. Transposing to the left or to the right, that is 0. So therefore, our particular solution, write muna natin ang general solution, y is c1 e to the minus 2x plus c2 e to the minus x plus 3 halves sine 2x minus 1 half cosine of 2x. Okay. So since c1 is 3 halves, so y is equal to 3 halves e to the minus 2x plus, of course, this is 0 plus 3 halves sine 2x minus 1 half cosine of 2x. So finally, we have y equals 3 halves e to the minus 2x plus 3 halves sine 2x minus 1 half cosine of 2x. Therefore, that will be our final answer. So that is parehas positive, 3 halves e to the minus 2x plus 3 halves sine 2x minus 1 half cosine 2x. So this will be our answer for that particular item.